Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm taking you through every single thing I wore while I was on holiday in Malta. If you have not done so already, please make sure you remember to like, comment and subscribe. Now let's get into the video. My airport outfits are always very simple, just like leggings, jumper, coat. If you watch any of my previous videos, then you will know that yes, I'm wearing my head night wrap. We left our house at like 2 a.m. and I was just like, do you know what? Let me just wear this head wrap. I have to give a shout out to Primark for their swimsuits. This is not sponsored at all, but their swimsuits are just elite. I absolutely love them. The only things that I bought specifically new for this trip was 2 bikinis from Primark, which I absolutely loved. Also, everything here is old, I would say. Like everything I'm wearing I bought last year, but I have linked the places where I got them from so you can have a look online and see if you can find anything similar from there. I mentioned in a previous video how I pack in a very simple way because a long time ago I always found that I was overpacking and bringing way too much stuff, never wearing anything and just having to lug around all that stuff, and I just felt like life can be so much easier than that. So basically how I pack is if I'm going away for 7 days, I will only bring like 7 outfits, or no, I'll bring 14 outfits, so an outfit for the evening and an outfit for the day. That way I know that I'm not bringing like a random jumper that I think I might like that I won't end up wearing. This means that I have to wear every single thing that I bring because otherwise I won't have anything to wear, which I found has been really helpful. I've also found that this has made me a lot more creative in how I style things. So you'll see that I'm wearing a dress that later looks like a top. It is because it was a dress that I then wore as a top because I didn't want to bring like lots of other stuff, and it just helps you. It really does help bring out your creative side, which I really love. I love fashion, I love styling, and so this is a great way to really like, you know, show off your styling chops. The weather in Malta, as I've said before, was very nice, quite mild, between 16 and 18 degrees. So you could definitely go out, skirts, dresses, t-shirts, no tights, no trousers. I really only wore jeans in the evening, which I could have not worn jeans because it wasn't super cold. So I did pack a lot of dresses. I've got a couple of dresses from ASOS, Pretty Little Thing. I really wanted to just be free and like mix it up and just, you know, go with for a very relaxed look. Also, there was quite a bit of walking, not like full on hike, but we did walk around a lot, so I made sure to pack my Supergars. These platforms are really great. I love how they look and they just give me that bit of extra bit of height. My favorite looks were my evening looks because I got to be a little bit more sexy, you know, like show a bit more cleavage. You guys will definitely recognize the Vita Grace Cassandra cardigan. Oh my god, in my try on video I knew I would love it, but actually wearing it in real life and I didn't have to take it off for like 3 hours, heaven. The first time I wore it, I did wear it as a cardigan, and the next time I wore it as a jumper, which again just shows like the versatility and how you can really like style different clothing, which I absolutely loved this cardigan. It was so great. And we were staying in a spa hotel. If you haven't checked out my hotel and room tour, make sure you check that out. So bikinis were a must. I brought enough bikinis for every single day. On the last day, I had a bikini left over, so I just changed into another bikini on the last day. Absolutely loved it. I got my bikinis from Misguided, Pretty Little Thing and Primark. I think of all of my bikinis, my Primark bikinis are actually my favorite and then my misguided bikinis. I actually got my misguided bikinis like, I don't know, like 2 years ago when I went to Sardinia. So like 3 years ago. No, 2 years ago. Yeah, just loved it. So I had to make sure that I had my bikinis done. And then for my bag, I was really alternating between my bags. So I had my medium-sized Longchamp bag, and then I had my small Longchamp bag, and then I also had my my cosmetics case, which I carried as a bag in the evening. So I was able to, depending on the day and what activities we were doing, I could then like alternate between the bag. And again, just like my airport outfit, very simple. I got this, it's actually a set from Uniqlo. It's a waffle knit set, very comfortable, and I wore this with my fleece lined Uniqlo coat, and then I've got a massive travel size Longchamp bag and my brother's Vans backpack, which I then wore all together. It was just, you know, so great, very simple. I think my whole vibe is simplicity. Everything needs to be simple, and yeah, I'm a simple girl. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.